Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making some Bannock bread. This recipe includes avocado oil, milk, salt, AP flour, baking powder, and sugar. In a large bowl, whisk together 720 grams of AP flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Once you've done that, make a well and pour in 3/4 cups of avocado oil. Mix with a fork or fingers until crumbly and evenly coated. Now that it's crumbly and evenly coated, gradually add in 2.5 cups of warm milk. Mix it with a spoon or hands until soft and a non-sticky dough forms. Get yourself a cast iron pan and pour in some avocado oil and turn on the medium-high heat. Alright, while oil is heating up, it's time to divide these into pieces. Make sure these are about 2.5 ounces each. Once they're all measured, shape them into balls, then gently flatten them in a disc about 1/2 inch thick. Our oil is nice and hot, and it's time to get frying. Fry these on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be puffed and golden brown. Alright, they're puffed and golden brown, so it's time to remove these from the hot oil and transfer them to a plate with paper towels to drain the excess oil. These look so good. And if you're wondering how to say Bannock bread in Spanish, it's pan Bannock. Alright guys, I got the Bannock bread. I'm gonna try it now, and I won't cap. This is actually really good. These pretty much just taste like fried biscuits. Doesn't even need butter or anything like that. Tastes good just the way it is. I was today years old when I found this out, but Bannock bread is actually popular in indigenous countries and stuff like that. Or cuisines, I should say. But in North America, that's really where people really be eating Bannock bread like that. But with this, it's not too sweet, I'll tell you that. And the fact that I use avocado oil for frying and putting them in here, it really turned out really well, and it's a healthy choice. You know, it's not as greasy, it's perfect, pretty much. Can't get over it. Never did I know that Bannock bread was gonna be so good. But thank you for the recommendation. Like, these people, they've been really wanting me to make this Bannock bread for months. So I finally have all the ingredients, and I have the recipe right here in my hands, so you're welcome. This is really good for breakfast in the morning, or you could just have it as a snack. Yep, Bannock bread is fire. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!